Chase, Robbie, Sean, Bobby, and Kevin. All right, let you get a minute down. Oh, Bobby pulling power really through the middle section on that roller. Oh, and he didn't clear the pipe. It's a little bit higher than that, Bobo. Next up will be our first ski at 13.5 four-wheel drive buggy. Ed Simon, Justin Jones, John Canto, Kermit Butts, Zach Griggs, and Jason Mon. You guys should be getting towards staging. 1 down, 3 to go. Kevin in the first spot. Steve in the second, followed by Bobby, Robbie, Sean, and Chase. Oh, we got one off the berm. $130 down, $230 to go. Kevin, Robbie, Steve, Bobby, Sean. And
Oh!
we got carnage in the middle between Bobby and Sean. I missed it, but I heard it. Sounded like rubbers racing. Oh, watch the far berm. Go inside, inside. All clear, all clear. Thank you, Aaron.
Yeah.
Oh, Jensen with the power really down the roller, getting the ball in the corner. We're halfway. Oh, and he clips the pipe, doesn't get it. Up and over the black carpet. Black rubber, whatever. Shortcut.
One minute left.
One to go, one to go. Steve, Bobby,
45
Robbie,
seconds
Sean,
left.
Chase, and Kevin. What did I miss? What happened there? Got a long lap.
I think I missed
30
your lap.
seconds left.
Kevin, when the race is over, come see me. $20 seconds, Steve, Bobby, Robbie, Sean, Chase, and Kevin.
15 seconds left.
Well, counted that one. Oh, nice.
Wheels.
The tires stuck on the pipe. Keep going, everybody. Still alive. Keep going, keep going.
Sean Man done. Kevin Jensen done.